Might or might not be totaled.
Further inspection is bad.
It is 4 o'clock in the morning. We are getting ready to go on an epic road trip to Atlanta. Yeah, this is very kind of spontaneous. We had this crazy plan through the week that somehow transpired, and here we are. But we bought something, and now it's 4 a.m. Nothing left but just get after it. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, and let's hit the road.
Well, 8 hours later. Park beside that truck over there. There's a fellow. Well, excuse me, sir. So we are here. We're running here, pay for this thing real quick and see what kind of damage we are looking at. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Hopefully it's good.
A few moments later.
We just got the paperwork done. We just got back to the truck. We missed our appointment because we're always late. So we're late by like 30 minutes and they canceled it. So we made another appointment and hopefully we can get this car soon. We don't know how long it's gonna take. It could take an hour, it could take 6, who knows. So we're just out here in the lot waiting with all these people. Gosh, there's probably 8 other people out here, plus all these guys waiting on stuff. But we're out here with our little single car, waiting for our car. So hopefully it's faster.
1 hour later.
Update. It has been 30 minutes. We have no car. I'm chilling in the truck. Any day now.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, as you can see I'm still in the same spot. It's been about 2 hours. I'm just sitting here and waiting. And it's not looking any better than it was before.
A few moments later.
So after further inspection, what do you think?
Further inspection, put my sunglasses on. Further inspection, it's looking pretty solid. Well, it's looking pretty terrible, but it's looking pretty solid. I've got faith in our car. It is very totaled. Every airbag's deployed, and the frame's bent, but it's gonna be great. I've got a good feeling. So we got a 6-hour drive home. I gotta work tomorrow. We gotta work tomorrow, so let's get out of here. Guys, we just stopped to get gas here at Buc-ee's. This is the first time I've been to a Buc-ee's. Got some little toys, we got some gas. We're about to hit the road again, but guys, the car is sick. We'll get into it in a little bit. Let's get back on the road. We got a long way to go. Let's get to it. Guys, it is 10:30 at night. We're still an hour and a half away from home, and I have to work in the morning, so this is gonna be fantastic. I gotta be up at 5:30. So we're getting gas right now. As you can see, we're here at Sheets, and we are just struggling right now. It's been traffic, it's been terrible. It's just been non-stop. But we're out here getting after it, getting it done. Atlanta and back in the day, and man, I wish I had gotten a hotel because I am tired, ready to get to sleep. But we'll see. Let's do it.
Okay guys, so this is about an hour later. Sorry we didn't film a whole lot, but it was just so stressful with traffic and everything. We were just trying to get home. But here we are, unloading the car in the shop, gonna work on it here later. It was so late, we literally just dumped the car, put the trailer up, and I just sped home because I had to wake up in like 4 hours for work. But here we go.
Okay guys, so it is the next day and we just got the car dropped off in the shop. Last night we just pulled in here, dropped the car. It was like 12:30 at night and I just sped home, got a couple hours of sleep, and went to work that morning. So I'm off work next day. It's like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night, but we just got the car in here and we're gonna kind of go over it a little bit and show you what we got. Because gosh, this thing is, it's bad. It's a lot. I wouldn't say worse than I thought, but it's gonna be a project, and there's always unforeseen stuff that I've seen. So let's just get into it, guys. This is weird not saying 06. This is our 2016 Mustang GT premium package with a 5.0 6-speed on it. The car, it looks great from back here. I think it was a really nice car at one point in time. But interior wise, we gotta work on that. All the airbags blew. It was a really nice car at one point. Got the 6-speed navigation, but a lot of brokenness going on in here. So yeah, up here to the fun part. Well, for one, the windshield's not broken, but it is popped loose. That's fun. And then up in here, yeah, we got a lot of crash damage. They obviously rear-ended somebody, or somebody ran into them and absolutely destroyed the front of this car. I mean, you can see it is completely smashed. That is utterly useless. I don't even know where to start with this thing. This thing is terrible. I mean, that is just a sight to be seen. This is how the car came. None of this was taken off. So obviously an insurance company or somebody took it all apart to see how bad it was, realized how bad it was, and then sent it to auction, threw the hood back on it, and the hood was barely even on it. And they just sent it to auction and said this thing is totaled. So what they didn't like is going to be our treasure. We have a massive project to undertake. Gosh. I mean, both A-pillars are smashed. This one's not so bad, but definitely needs replaced. This one over here is absolutely crunched to pieces. It looks like, from what I can see, the shock towers are in the right place, so that's good. And the frame rails from here to here, both sides, are where they need to be going on. So it's just kind of this front part is bent. Our subframe is smashed, so that's going to suck. And yeah, we got a lot of frame damage. I don't know if we're gonna chop these off, try to straighten them out, what we're gonna do. And then coming in here, thank the Lord, so as far as I can tell, the block is not cracked. Everything looks like it's in good shape. The only damage to the block is this idler pulley is broken. So if that's all the damage, I think I can live with that. Even a cracked timing case, I am okay with it. So, but obviously everything else is completely trashed. It doesn't look like it got into the power steering. It looks like they chipped the casing of that, but it doesn't look like it's broken. Yeah, this thing is, gosh. And then the worst part, if I found out, is this fuse box is destroyed. But going into here to this computer, you can see it's cracked right there. And then you can see this harness plug where this is supposed to plug in at is absolutely mangled and destroyed. So we're gonna need a new computer. And that is gonna cost us a lot of money. It's gonna suck. Not to mention, this harness is destroyed, which we might could fix because it just runs across into this, but that's a lot of wiring. But we could do it. And I'm kind of worried about, yeah, that's exactly what I was worried about, this plug being destroyed too. So we're gonna need a whole new engine harness, which is just fantastic, And gosh, this is gonna suck. It's gonna suck, but we're gonna figure it out. So odds are we need a new computer, new harness,
new frame rail. I don't know what we're gonna do with that. We may even cut it off and tube it, who knows. And then we're gonna need a new subframe. And then hopefully and pray the engine's in good shape. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun one, guys. It's gonna be a fun one. So that's a little update for the car. It's gonna be a good time, and we're gonna build this into a sick car. I don't really know the plan as of yet. This was kind of, I sold my 06 the other day, which we'll get into, but it was some guy on the street walked up to me, offered me cash for the car, so I sold it. And then a week later, I found this guy on COPART. I was like, you know what? I really want an S550. So we bought it. And now we're paying the regrets of our decisions of impulse buying 2016 red car. So either way, it's gonna be a cool build for the channel. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. We may chop it all off, who even knows? But guys, really appreciate you tuning into the episode. Hopefully get you guys some new content coming soon. And like I said, really appreciate it. Love you guys a ton. And we got some really cool stuff coming. Stuff coming with this car, but mainly stuff coming with this car. So we haven't done an episode on this in a while, but we finally got all these parts in, and this is gonna be sick. It's gonna be absolutely sick. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. We need to work on this car. So talk to you guys in the next episode. Deuces.
All right, everybody, here's my Eric Burdett impression. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. We're on another epic road trip. 15 hours round trip to get what? An auction Mustang. What else? It might or might not be totaled, but hey, we can fix it, right?
Got my impression down pretty